Hi, and welcome back to another van life vlog. We are still in Bosnia. Right now we're on our way to Visoko. And we're finally at the Bosnian Pyramid of the Sun. We successfully walked through the tunnels. Oh my goodness, so amazing. We just went through the tunnel gift shop and just basically purchased everything in the store. In addition, you get access to the park. Now we're going back in for round 2 to do some meditation. Now we made our way to Sarajevo. If you've been following along with our van life adventure, living in a van, I highly suggest to avoid large cities because honestly, it's so stressful. But now we are trying to find some dinner. We finally found a restaurant. It is so local. The menu is not in English. And I think it's super old school because they smoke inside. Definitely not what we're used to. Oh my goodness. So, surprisingly enough, majority of the menu is vegetarian. We got so lucky. We got 5 dishes. It's spicy yogurt. I don't think it's that spicy, but it's really good. Actually, now I can feel it. It is spicy. Out of all these, I think that's my favorite. We are at our campsite. So after dinner, we ended up doing some thrift shopping. Getting to the campsite, we've been hanging out with the owner and his friend for I don't know how long. How long do you think we were there for?
Maybe 45 minutes.
And it was such a good vibe inside. It's definitely family owned. I think we are learning that we like family owned campsites the best, but it is around 9:30 and honestly we are a bit hungry again, so we're going to make some risotto. I'm going to end today here, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning from another day in van life. I didn't mention last night, but our campsite is in the mountains. So honestly, driving up the mountainside roads were very scary in such a large van. But making it to the top has been so worth it because the view is beautiful and the campsite itself is super cozy and super homey. We ended up having a tea and rakia. I think that is what it is. It is the Bosnian fruit alcohol. I think for me it is way too strong. Because it's too strong for me, I can't even taste the fruit that's mixed in it. I mentioned last night, we're still in Sarajevo, and our campsite is only a 2-minute drive from Sunnyland, which is the Alpine coaster. Honestly, I've always wanted to do an Alpine coaster. So if you don't know what an Alpine coaster is, it's like one of those toboggan flood things. But how it works, it's a coaster on the mountain and it works via gravity. So no engines or no electricity is pulling it down. Now we're back on the road about to eat these chips. We've been in the Balkans for over a week now. And maybe a week and a half, something like that. And we noticed in the supermarkets that the popular chip flavor is paprika. It's always fun to see what flavor is the most popular in different countries. They smell great.
Okay.
Okay. They're really good. We tried a different kind of paprika chip brand, and that was also really good.
You know how to make chips.
We just stopped on the side of the road into a supermarket, I guess. It was a tiny supermarket and a bakery. Oh my goodness. We got 2 different types of burek. So in the Balkans, burek seems to be the typical savory pastry. We got a potato and a pumpkin flavor. We've only had the cheese and a spinach flavor, which are both very tasty. I think we also got the cheese. Looks like cheese. So good.
This is the freshest one we've got so far.
This is the potato one.
That was really good.
The pumpkin. I like this one too. Oh my goodness. We are so high in the mountains that we're literally going through the clouds. It's just such a vibe and it's so beautiful. Now we're at Sutjeska National Park. It is so beautiful and misty and moody out here. We stopped by the cafe or restaurant here for some coffee to go. Road trip update. We're so high up, my ears are popping, and we see the tops of the mountains and they have snow covered all over. I'm going to end the van life vlog here. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do, because I have other van life videos after this. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!